Today we're going to be showing you how to install a downshot economizer, horizontal economizer, and outside air filter.
We're going to start with our CanFab model number 1105-EC for the downshot economizer. What we're doing is move it from the box and verify that you have all the parts that are labeled.
After we verify that we have our parts from our box, we're going to go ahead and take out the filter door and the economizer panel.
You're going to want to make sure you hold on to your screws because those are going to be used later on. Original factory panels will not be needed for this installation.
After the economizer is installed into the unit, these are going to be the wire harnesses that are going to be connected. In the rear of the economizer, you're going to notice 3 tabs, one in the middle and one on each side. When you install the economizer, it's important that the flange in the back of the economizer goes under those tabs.
The economizer should have a snug fit. Tilt it forward to go in and bring it back for the snug fit.
After the economizer is installed, we're going to go down here and we're going to remove the discharge air sensor from the tripping location.
Once you have installed your economizer and connected your wires, the next step is to install the filter access panel, just like so. Install, we take our self-tapping screws. To install the discharge air sensor, open the supply blower compartment on the opposite side. Point, you're going to want to mount the outside here, the sensor. Once mounted, you can remove the tag and then apply matching wires to wires. Some units, wires don't match. If that's the case, refer to the unit wiring diagram. Once completed, wire tie the wires out of the way. Well, thanks for watching. This concludes our installation video.
If you have any further questions, feel free to visit our website at canfab.com or call 800-232-2632.